This video demonstrates how to use CherryProxy with Incognition. First, open the CherryProxy client. On the SOC 5 proxy page, use the filter panel on the right to select the desired country, region, city, or other criteria for the IP you want to retrieve. Once filtered, click the search button to refresh the proxy list below. Choose an IP from the list, right-click it, and forward it to an available port. After the forwarding is successful, click the port forward list at the bottom, locate the extracted IP, and click the copy button on the right. Next, open the Incognition client. In the left-hand menu, select Profile Management, the second option, and click the New Profile button to create a new profile. Name the profile, then find and click the Add Proxy button below. Select SOC 5 Proxy from the drop-down menu, paste the IP you copied from CherryProxy into the field, and click the Check Proxy button below. The test results will appear on the right. Verify that the IP matches the one shown in CherryProxy. If they match, click the Create Profile button on the right to complete the profile setup. Finally, click the Start button next to the new profile to begin using it.